Thank you, Madam Deputy Speaker. I thank the Honourable Member for the question. Just by information, Madam Deputy Speaker, the Pacific Island Literacy and Numeracy Assessment, which is in short PILNA, is a 3-year cycle, which was first administered in 2012 and subsequently 2015, 2018, and 2021. The next assessment is due in 2024. So in relation to the question, the findings of the PILNA report for the 2021 cycle highlights that Year 4 and Year 6 students in Fiji performed above the regional level in reading. However, less than half of the Year 4 students reached the expected proficiency level. And in numeracy, more than half of the students in both Year 4 and Year 6 meet or exceeded the minimum proficiency level. Data from this assessment also revealed that girls outperform the boys in numeracy, reading, and writing. Madam Deputy Speaker, these data from this report are shared with the Ministry's Curriculum Advisory Services and the District Office of the Ministry, and then intervention programs are implemented, which in turn are monitored from the school and district level. One of the strategies is the improvement of reading progress trackers and numeracy progress trackers in Fiji Education Management Information System, or FEMIS dashboard. And currently, coordinator, Ilana of Phonics, is working on these reading trackers and numeracy trackers for the follow-up and feedback, which is an ongoing activity with the continuous monitoring done at the school and divisional level. Madam Speaker, it's important that Fiji continues on this program, since this is initiated by the regional ministers of education, as PILNA addresses targets identified in the Pacific Regional Education Framework, in short PECREF, in the Sustainable Development Goal 4, by analyzing and measuring results that provide evidence of education quality for national governments and regional organizations.
Thank you, Honourable Minister.